So, you want to learn coding? And of course, one of the first choices that comes to mind is something simple, beginner friendly, and easy to understand Python. But sadly, learning Python isn't always as easy as people make it sound. In this video, I'm going to show you how a real Chad learns Python. For a Chad, learning things and doing stuff is nothing but a joke. So if you're a Chad or want to learn Python like a Chad, watch this video. But first,
you'll need a contract.
now, how exactly does the method work and why? Imagine, learn anything without paying courses or watching YouTube tutorials. No books and no teacher. Just you and your personal device and internet so you can use one and only one thing, the AI. Why AI is better? Here's the 3 reasons. AI actually knows anything because it has access to everything and almost any resources, such as books and almost any websites. It can teach you as long as you want, and it gives time as much as you want, and you can take as many as courses you want. The way it teaches you is completely personalizable. Now, in this video, we're going to learn how to learn Python with AI. As you probably know, Python is one of the most powerful and popular programming languages in the world. With this method, you don't need buying any books or courses or even get overwhelmed with YouTube videos. You give ChatGPT or any AI a prompt, and it will make you a complete full course with exercises and tips for you, and it will tell you how exactly does it take, and it's completely free. It's just you, your favorite AI, and it's done. That's the way of the Chad. Now let's do it step by step. We have to tell AI what do we want and how do we want the course to be, and remember, more and more information we use in our prompt, the course will be more efficient. I already have a prompt you can copy from the description of this video. Now exactly do what I do. Write down or paste a prompt and wait, so ChatGPT or your favorite AI make a full course for you. And that is it. Done. In my prompt, the AI will ask you 8 questions about your level, goals, and the amount of time you can practice each day or week. Easy, right? You can answer the way you want and even add details like how old are you or if you currently know some programming. After the pre-course exam is done, it will generate a full course of Python language just for you. A full, personalized course. You can see the course starts with the question, what is programming? More and more, you look more exciting it will be. You used to lose and spend times looking for something just near this. And now you will learn Python easy. Do you see this too? Lists, loops, functions, even problem-solving sessions are here. It will teach you everything in a dynamic way. The course is on and you're studying for free, like a Chad! All you need to do now is grinding and take your time so you can learn Python. Now, as you can see, it gives you many exercises and self-training stuff you can do and send to ChatGPT, so it will correct you and tell you what you have done wrong. You can ask if you want to know how many lessons or sessions are there and when you'll be done just by asking the AI, and it will give you further details like here. As you can see, we have 60 sessions. You think that's all? No. You can even personalize your course more and more with writing what you want. For example, if you want a deeper course for learning as someone who doesn't learn fast, you can tell the AI to make your course longer or shorter. Let's make it longer. It will be more detailed and more personalized with all of the lessons you need to learn the Python basics. Now, as you can see, we're starting the first session of the Python basics. As you see, everything is from the very beginning and the very basic. We have exercises here. Let's take one and try to do it. I use VS Code personally, but you can use any other coding app you want. After finishing, we can run our code with F5 or run on the Above tab, and our first program will be ruined. Let's copy our codes and tell ChatGPT what we have done. It is recommended that you do all the exercises and send them all once. After this, as you can see, the AI will let us know if we did good or if we have made any mistakes. Now, for a better experience, let me show you some tips and tricks you can make your course more personalized and more efficient. Tip number 1. As you know, AI can access to every language, so tell the AI to write in your language and speak the way you want, like I do. As you can see, I'm trying Spanish language and Japanese so you can exactly use the course in your own language. Tip number 2. Don't let AI do everything for you, because it will make you lazy. One of the biggest mistakes we make when we're trying to learn coding is just copying and pasting the code. That's not active learning. If you just use someone else's code without understanding it, you're not really learning how to code. For a better learning experience, modify the code yourself, experiment with it, and actually do the exercises AI gives you. The more you struggle and figure things out on your own, the more you'll actually learn. That's where the grind happens. Tip number 3. Let AI test you after every few sessions using everything you've learned so far. This way, you'll know what you actually understand and where you're still making mistakes. And if you struggle with a certain topic, tell AI to go back and teach it to you again in a different way. You can even ask it to make sure you've understood the topic before moving on to the next one. That way, you're not just rushing through lessons. You're actually making sure you're ready for the next step. And that's it for today's grind. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. And in the comments, tell me what skill or subject you want me to teach you next. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay curious. Stay grinding. Goodbye.